We should be back live here for Friday's session, trading the Nasdaq. So it wasn't live yesterday, it wasn't live this morning here. Market is doing its own thing. I haven't been going long for a long time. We have an amazing long this morning orb with my system on DAX, but I did not take it personally. I was just waiting. Let's see here. Overnight highs just got reach. I think the market could push to 800, and then I think it could get rejected very strong. I'm not trying to really take any setup, any orb setup. I just want to let you know that I'm tuning in with you here to make money, identify a quick setup, identify a quick scalp, and then I'll go in that direction. Take maybe 20, 30, 50 points, 100 points, best case, and then bounce. So going after making 30, 50K today. I'm just gonna look at the DAX, and I'm looking at Wall Street, I'm looking at S&P 500. If that somehow sell off or bounce higher and Nasdaq is not really falling through, I'll trade after that. So we breaking new highs. If we zoom out, we know we have these highs of 800. And that's probably where we want to short it. We want to short around 770. I could like to take a short position now already and just kind of like hold it. I'm thinking about opening a short position right here, and then scalp it. But I'm also aware of it could go above 800. So this is what I will do. I'll start shorting the market here. I think we could get rejected around these highs. So I'll have a short now, and I will have my stop loss at 815. So I'll place a short position right now. Just place short on my live account. This is going to be the setup. I could like to target all the way down to 480. And then I have my stop loss just above 800. Let's see. Doesn't have to work. But I opened short when I said short. It doesn't have to be all the way down to 400. I'll also be very happy with just 680 or like 650. Right when I entered short, I was actually making about $1,000, but now it's around break even. It could be a good setup here. I don't want to be greedy. Let's see here. I'm just gonna exit my short here. Locking in from profit. Okay, let's wait a little bit here. I'm still short. Still short, guys. I'm still short. Still short, nothing have changed. Open around 60. I open short around 60. It's hard to say if this is really going to sell off or if this is just going to come back again to 800. I think they would like to push the market. Then I'm just out. But still holding short right now. But I'm also aware of the risk, okay? So not much. Could it be a setup like we saw yesterday when things really pushed like really hard and then sold off? It could be, but it could also continue to rally. Have my stop loss up here for now. I know if they choose to really push this and they decide this is just gonna rally, I know it's not gonna stop. It's just gonna keep goes up. Okay, just so you're aware, just letting you know that if it decides to go up, it's gonna keep rallying. And then you can move your stop loss and you can add more heavily to it. I probably don't do that. I'm not gonna add. I'm just gonna hold it for now to see if it's actually gonna work out and make me money. It's very tricky around here, guys, just letting you know. So it could be very tricky around this range here, 760. I think it could try to push out all the stop losses. I think it's too obviously the setup that they would like to push out 800 because there's many stop losses above 800, 850. But let's see. If it sells off, amazing. If not, then it might just, it probably just gonna rally. DAX is correcting itself a little bit. Wall Street is just moving up a little bit. So where are we going? Do we have actually news? I just want to check here. Forex Factory. At 4 p.m. we actually have news. So in 20 minutes we got news. Okay, interesting. So we have actually some news that's going to be added. Let's see. But it just went to 63. Still holding the short. I think it could work. I'm just a little bit, yeah. Let's see. So I'm in around 760. I'm gonna exit now before news, guys. So exit here at 704. I'm out at 700. I managed to close my position here at 700. So I'm out. This was the setup. I shorted around 760 and I just exit my position here around 700. We're done.